Okay, you guys remember when I said that there was a little issue with my third PS5 game? Well, the gods have graced me, and I finally got it. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. With the unboxing beer knife. I forgot I spoiled it for y'all, huh? Y'all already know what game this is. If you see my, I don't know which video it was that I told y'all what was in this. Like, what was going to be my third game. But anyway, here it is. Evil Dead, the video game. I'm a huge fan of the Evil Dead franchise, and I cannot wait to play this when I get my fucking gaming console. Look who joined us. Okay, run along. Finally. Oh yeah. I can't wait to play as Ash Williams and kick some ass with my boomstick. Here it is. Evil Dead the game. Finally unboxed. Evil Dead the game. Anyway, guys, that's it for the unboxing today. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn notifications on, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.